Hey, what's up, guys? This is Guito here. Max is over here. Oh, you can't switch the camera. Right now, you just pause. Plug it back in. And now, let's see what happens. Tell me when you're recording.
I'm already recording.
Okay. Hey, guys, how's it going? So, welcome to part 2 of the video. To get started, we're going to be unboxing the Disa valve right now. It came in on Saturday and I ordered it on Wednesday, so it came in like 2 days. I ordered it from SCP Euro. They're great because they have a lifetime warranty on everything that they have. So if the Disa valve does go out in the future, they'll replace it for free, which is amazing. If you want the part number, it's right here. It's 11617579114. This is what it looks like. Brand new. Brand new. See, this one actually has a flap. All right, let's go install it. There we go.
Taking out the leaves.
That's weight reduction.
To be honest, I think we should just leave the open air intake just straight open.
Compare the old one to the new one.
Yeah, I think this one's missing something. Or maybe it's this one that's missing something, right?
Big difference.
I just can't believe we were running our car with it like wide open.
Well, what I don't get is where this went.
Yeah, it's kind of interesting. Maybe like since the engine, it pulls air in, maybe it broke it like through pressure.
Okay, so the install is pretty simple. If you basically watch the first video in reverse, you'll know how to put it back.
Since we're such a kind channel, we're gonna show you, instead of you watching in reverse, we're gonna do the reverse. Don't worry about it.
Okay, so the first thing we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be taking our Disa valve and we're gonna be inserting it just like, there we go. Okay, screw back on these 4 bolts right here. So grab your T20.
Blackout, I've been feeling like I've been spent out. Everybody wants to come at me, I said blackout. Everybody wants to tell me what I do right. I do everything right, let you get sight. Yeah, I don't take no one for the so bad. I've been taking myself out for the be bad. I don't care if you wanna fight me.
My hair is a mess because I can't get a haircut right now. Just to let you know, we're recording this and it's triple digits outside. So that's why I'm all sweaty. Max really wants to screw in the bolts.
Guys, it's lit. When you know, when he first started this channel, I was a little bit wary. But now that I'm actually doing it, I mean, you guys should subscribe. This is good content.
Subscribe, like, and hit the bell notification icon. Like, you guys don't even know how long Guito spent working on that animation.
And you really blame me, I'm feeling like you don't care. Cause I don't really wanna go.
If you really want to help out the channel, you guys can send us an AC unit or something. Something that goes outside. It's way too hot out here. So after we have the Disa valve in, now we're gonna be putting back on this bracket. So you want the 2 holes towards the bottom to be on the bottom, not the top.
I'm real, you don't appeal. I take.
How long did it take you to make the other video?
3 days. Perfection takes time.
How much you want to bet he's gonna leave that in his video?
How much you want to bet this is gonna get rid of the problem?
I bet you $5 it does.
But what if it doesn't fix the problem?
Guito, there's a giant hole in your engine. I think it's gonna fix the problem. I don't think BMW
You just stripped the bolt. This is why you don't have Max do your bolts. Now plug in your Disa valve like so. There you go. Now we're gonna be plugging in this baby.
What is that called?
Air shaft. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay. We're gonna tighten up this bolt, either with a flathead or a 6mm.
Remember, we're getting the Alcantara steering wheel.
I'm getting the plastic one.
You said Alcantara.
No, wood. It's a wood steering wheel.
Nope, I'm done. Stop recording.
Any time lapse. The more footage, the better.
No, because YouTube just put a restriction. Now it's not even 30 minutes. You have to be under 15 minutes. They sent me an email. I just tried to upload a 16-minute video and it said, sorry, you can't. You can only upload 15 minutes.
Because you're
or
under
less.
5 subscribers.
No. I have 10.
Now we're going to put back our power steering reservoir. Push these guys back in. And it's a 10mm.
I'm real, you don't appeal. I take no real. I don't know if I'm real.
Once you have your power steering reservoir installed, now we're gonna put back on the airbox. Set it in like this. Line up those two hoses, like so. There's two tabs right here that you want to click in.
And just like that, is it done?
Have patience, my son.
There's a tab on the bottom of the box that you want to line up so it sits flush on the bottom.
Next, guys, we're gonna be taking.
Wait, no. You're getting ahead of yourself and still putting on the airbox.
My son.
What the heck? Now, this is an important part. Do not get ahead.
There we go. Okay.
Now we start it up.
Now, plug these guys back in over here with your
I want to do it.
bolts. Last time Max had a bolt, he stripped it, so I don't trust him right now.
Shoot, it's stripped from me just using my hand.
I have aced all my past, switching lanes quicker than footsteps on mats.
Guito, do you have any advice for the people doing this at their house?
Watch this video because it'll tell you how to do it. Okay, you want wiggle room. You want to plug back in your mass airflow sensor. There you go. Now you're gonna want to plug this guy back in. So find the other part, which is right here, and then just go there like that. Plug him back over here. There you go. Slide this guy back in. All right, guys. So now that we put everything back, we're gonna close the hood and then we're gonna go over to the computer. All right, so let's do this again. What's that sound?
Behind you.
Oh, okay. Two black dots, so we're good. E90, E90 options, functional jobs. And this time we're clearing the codes. Okay. You want to go to F4 for error. And then instead of F1 this time, we're going to put F2 for clear EM, which is going to clear our error codes. And boom. Plug it back in. And now, let's see what happens. Okay, we're still getting the misfires. I'm gonna go check the hood real quick. Make sure nothing's smoking. Maybe the flaps got stuck in the engine and now it's like blocking something. Everything looks good. I'm gonna go take it for a drive.
Hey, no, I'm
Okay, so let's go see how it drives. So far, no check engine light, which is good. Right now, we're mainly checking for is if that check engine light comes back, and if we get the codes for the Disa valve again. If we don't get the code for the Disa valve, then that's a success in its own because we diverted that code. Let's see. I have a fear that that valve got stuck somewhere. With that first start, that was a different start. Like, I'd never felt that start before, right? Like, it was a long one.
Yeah.
So maybe it was adjusting. Maybe. Alright, we're gonna turn it off and then turn it back on. Let's see what we did. See how it idles. Yo, it idles smooth. Right?
There's not a single check engine light.
Alright. Please, no misfire. But then again, it was warm, so I don't know. Alright guys, so we're about like 5 minutes into the drive, and it idles a lot better now. Like, it idles super smooth. We turned it off and we started it up, and we couldn't detect any misfires. So we're gonna go get gas, take it for a longer drive, take it for a spin, and then we'll see how it does. So let's go. Yup. We're in manual right now.
Yeah, we need to get this kid a manual because he really wants one.
Matter of fact, let's check our codes while we're in the Starbucks line. It says never been done on YouTube before.
What's that I see over there? Is that an
F10.
Yes, it is. Can you guys see the screen?
I already showed you guys how to do it, so I'm not gonna show you again. Okay, we have one code, 29D1. Let's look what that is real quick.
It says Disa valve.
Oh, I don't get internet. People are like, why does he have his laptop out? Alright guys, so we're gonna head to AutoZone right now. It seems like the problem is fixed, but we still don't know where that flap is, that pin that goes straight up and then the flap. So I'm gonna stop at AutoZone to see if they have like a thin camera, a long thin camera that we can stick inside the intake port to see if we can find those pins and those bits of plastic, because we don't want those to end up in the engine and then destroying it. So we're gonna head down there right now.
Bam.
Buy today. We're just gonna go look to see if they have it.
Now we're gonna get LEDs and then also speakers.
While you're inflating your tires, you can also charge your phone.
Wait, come here. Actually, I do need that, so we'll take a look at that later. But I'm interested in these. No, Guito.
Alright guys, so they didn't have the parts that we needed, or the one thing that we needed, which was a camera, a snake camera, which I highly doubt they had, but you know, we still take a look, and we're gonna go check out Walmart right now.
What?
Nice and smooth. I think it's the Starbucks.
We don't know what we're getting yet, but
I ain't buying nada. Now I drive a BMW.
Electronic section, guys.
You know what time it is, I be on a lot, yeah. Stranger Things vibes when I hit it in the spot, yeah. Take another trip back to Space Station Lost, yeah. I've been on games since I dropped, yeah. Dropped in the high school, everybody talked to. Samsung is a no school, everybody lied to me. I be in a
Alright, so they didn't have the camera, so let's head back.
Man, is that what I think it is? Oh, it's an E90. It's still turned on, so that's great.
Oh shit, yeah. That's probably the pin getting closer to the engine. Alright, so back to the house now. So some bad news, guys. As I'm driving through town, the check engine light came back on and we're misfiring again. So that's not good. We're gonna have to maybe take out the other Disa valve and see if that one's also broken, because that could be it. I'm gonna hook it back up to IMPA and check the codes again, and see if we're getting codes for another Disa valve. But yeah, it was too good to be true, so I'll get back with you guys later. As you can see, check engine light is back, but the idle is smooth. So I'm thinking what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the intake manifold next, and we're gonna check to see where the other parts of the Disa valve broke into, because they broke into pieces. We're gonna check to see where those broken pieces went, and then we're also gonna check the other Disa valve while we're at it, because you have to remove that intake manifold to get to that Disa valve. So we're gonna check the second one, and that'll be in the next video. So checking to see where the existing broken pieces went, and then checking that second Disa valve, and then we're gonna see if any of those are an issue. But I'm gonna check the codes again to see if we're getting a misfire in the other cylinder, because before we were getting misfires in cylinder 5 and 1, and when I checked earlier it was just cylinder number 5. So let's go ahead and check that real quick. Okay, so we're just getting misfires in cylinder number 5. So we solved half of the problem, because we were having misfires in cylinder 1 and 5, and now we're not getting any misfires in cylinder 1 and only in 5. So that gives me further reason to believe that maybe the other Disa valve is causing the issue, because you have 2 Disa valves, and this is an inline 6, so one Disa valve controls the cylinders from 1 to 3, and the other Disa valve controls the cylinders from 4 to 6. So we're gonna check that other one in the next video and see if that one's broken. I'm thinking that's the issue, because now we're not getting that code for cylinder number 1 anymore. So we'll see you guys in the next video then.
Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and yeah, hit that bell notification too so you get notified when we upload our next video, because maybe we didn't solve your problem either. Maybe you're still getting a misfire, or you need to check the second Disa valve. So stay tuned for more. And that Alcantara steering wheel, man, that's coming soon.
One guy online said that when his Disa valve broke, the pieces they shattered from the Disa valve and they went into the intake port right here. So in the next video, when we remove this intake manifold, we're going to be checking this Disa valve right here to see if it's broken, and then see if any of the pieces got dislodged in the intake right here. So that'll be for next time, but I am happy that we got rid of half the problem, because we were getting 2 misfires, cylinder 1 and cylinder 5, and now it's just cylinder 5. So half the issue solved, so we're making progress, which is good.
Everybody wants to come at me, I said blackout. Everybody wants to tell me what I do right. I do everything right, unless you get sight. Yeah, I don't take no one for the so bad. I've been taking myself out for the be bad. I don't care if you wanna fight me. I'm feeling like I blacked out. I blacked out. I feel like you are no one else. I'm feeling like I blacked out. I blacked out. I feel like you are no one else. Can you really blame me? I'm feeling like you don't care, 'cause I don't really want to go, if you know what I mean. But I don't really care if you don't care. I'm taking myself out of nowhere. I don't take no hate on myself. I've been feeling like a dark out, 'cause it's black out, it's black out here, it's black out here, it's pitch black. You know how I feel, you know I'm real. You don't appeal, I take no real. I don't know if I'm real. I feel like you are no one else. I'm feeling like I blacked out. I blacked out. I feel like you are no one else. Feeling like you blame me for it. I can't really tell if you're really out here for me or well. I guess I never care, but I don't. I really don't care if you know, 'cause I know I'm leaving you too soon.